Welcome back to my channel, My Hobby House. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you the simple way of making frozen themed birthday decorations. So I'll show you how I made each and everything in this decoration in detail. So before going into the video, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for notifications. So let's start with the making of magic wand. Take a blue shining paper and wrap it around the stick. Now take a silver glitter sheet and draw the shape you want on the back side of the sheet. You can draw a star or a snowflake. Cut it out and stick it to the stick. Add some stones to decorate it. Your magic wand is ready. Next is the making of a snowflake. Take a chart paper or a cardstock and cut a square out of it. You need a square piece of paper for making this snowflake. First, fold it into a triangle. Now again, fold it to mark the center of the triangle. Now using that as the center, fold both the ends to form a triangle. Again, fold the triangle into half. Draw the design as shown in the video and cut it out. The beautiful snowflake is ready. I made the other snowflakes with a normal sheet of paper. It's very easy to cut out if you do it in a normal paper than a chart paper. Then I took printout of Elsa and frozen pictures. I'll give the link of these pictures in the description below. You can download it from there. Now I'm sticking Elsa's picture in a thick white cardboard. Draw a frame around her and paint it. Cut the other pictures also and save it. These are the decoration items I bought from a local party store. You can also get these from Amazon or Flipkart. I have 2 packs of silver colored foil fringes. These are 6 feet tall fringes. Next I have happy birthday banner. Unfortunately there was a H missing in my pack. Next I have 2 star foil balloons. I bought 2 packs of balloons, 1 pack of silver color and 1 pack of blue color. Each pack had 50 balloons. I have already shared a video on how easily we can make a balloon garland. So I'll share the link in the description below. Please refer to that. I am putting the foil fringes as a double layer. So this is 1 pack and next this is the 2 pack of fringes. Next attach the balloon garland on the top as an arch. Fix the Elsa's picture on the center. Now let's see how to blow this foil balloon. You can see a small red thing with a small pocket. Insert the balloon pump or a straw all the way through the small pocket. Then blow the balloon. After blowing the balloon, press that area to seal it. Now I am going to hang this balloon on both the sides. I have sticked the snowflakes on the balloons and done. An easy birthday decoration is ready. Hope this is simple and easy. Tell me in the comments how much you liked it. Share it with your friends who might find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, My Hobby House. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.